I think my hat will blow off, but you just never know.
I know where I can buy another one.
All aboard, everybody! Gather all around! This is the special train that copies any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable, sounding like all day and night Audiomatic Express. It can move like a cow. It can go moo, moobity moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you?
Moo, moobity moo!
Can you sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can. How about you? Can you go boobity boo?
Boobity boo!
Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze on the flying trapeze? Swoop, zoom, swoop. Is there such a thing as an upside down sound? Ooh, listen to this. It goes swoop, swoop. The star on the The trolley train goes tacky when sounding all trafficky. How about you? Can you go beep? When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast. With a swish, swoosh, complexed. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, kablast!
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound
This is like the people
fun.
mover.
Can you make it too?
Wee, wee, woo!
Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an ear full of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bonk, chop good. Can you make that sound too?
Ben Botcha, Ben Botcha!
And a sneech farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo!